Hello there, welcome to our Animoji series again. So today we'll share a story with you. There was somebody who DM'd us and said that I have a 2-year-old son and when he starts to get angry, he shouts and screams and throws himself on the floor, throws objects and does all of that. And so the mother is really confused about what she should do. So we are here to help. So the first thing to address a temper tantrum is finding an underlying cause. Do you force your child to do something? Or maybe do you stop an activity abruptly that he's interested in doing? Does someone at home display this sort of behavior like being angry or shouting or yelling? Okay, so now we'll talk about working out a solution. As parents, what you need to do is firstly avoid these situations which give rise to these tantrums. The second thing that you can do is, while the child is throwing tantrums, instead of saying no outrightly, you can give them a choice. You can say, for example, if you're not allowed to watch TV right now, instead do you want to go outside and play in the garden? Never ever lose your cool and yell at your child or shout or slap. Don't do that. Another thing that you can do is, if your child isn't harming themselves, what you can do is just ignore your child, keep on doing whatever you're doing. Trust me, most of the times it works. If your child is getting destructive, hold them firmly. Don't let them do that. Reason with your child only after they've settled down. There's no point of reasoning while the child is angry, because they won't listen to anyone. Lastly, when your child has settled down, you have reasoned with them, just hug them and show them that you still love them the same way. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in to Toddler World's Animoji series. See you later.